ZODO Tire is the professional PCR and TBR tires manufacturer of China. Founded in 1991, Weifang Goldshield Tire Company Limited is the earliest and largest tire manufacturer in Weifang with annual production capacity 1.8 million sets of all-steel radial tires. In 2011, ZODO Tire Company Limited was founded in Hezhe City, Shandong Province, which engaged in producing full range of semi-steel radial tires. In 2019, ZODO Tire achieved the daily capacity of 45,000 pieces, which is expected to be 55,000 by the end of 2019. In 2020, ZODO Tire will achieve the daily capacity of 65,000 pieces, with total annual output value of 24 million pieces to keep refreshing the industry's record. We always adhere to the pursuit of environmental protection, provide customers the most reliable products with optimized process, and have successfully developed tires with great wear-resistant and noise-reducing performance. To transform from traditional manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing, ZODO Tire has invested advanced R&D and test equipment to provide technical support for each step of production, from raw materials to mixing, calendaring, cutting, building, curing, inspection with rigorous and accurate craftsmanship. Calendar machine is imported from the world's top Italian acrylic equipment, while uniformity and dynamic balance are guaranteed by Japan Kokusai. With all processes controlled in an all-around way, ZODO Tire has built its reputation with continuous pursuit of perfect quality and strict control of details. ZODO Tire's R&D Center has technical elites with professional R&D and excellent innovation to develop a full range of product lines with over 1,000 specifications, making ZODO the leader of the industry. Nowadays, ZODO tires have become the pronoun of safe, comfort, and high-end tires with great quality and excellent service. We aim to provide every user a superior driving experience by improving wear resistance of tires. Excellent marketing team drives sustainable development of the company. Pursuing a people-oriented corporate culture, ZODO Tire creates international trade and marketing network all over the world to maintain deep cooperation with global tire partners with constantly rising export volume. Your reliable ZODO tires have been distributed all over the world. Calendaring, outstanding quality, R&D, and service is making ZODO better establish itself in society and serve society in pursuit of tire the coordination among enterprise, employees, and society in development. ZODO Tire will surely forge ahead, constantly cross challenges, and always with you.